Complétez avec ce, cette, cette or say. So now we are going to complete this paragraph by filling in the blanks with the demonstrative. Photo souvenir. Regarde dash photo. So what are the steps to fill in these blanks? We know we are going to fill in the demonstrative. So this depends only on the noun. So what is the noun here? Photo. It is feminine singular. So for a feminine singular noun, what is the demonstrative? It is cette. Regarde cette photo. See this photo. So it is very simple. You have to just look at the noun and see if the noun is masculine or feminine, singular or plural, and fill in the blanks. The next one, tu connais dash will. Now will is the noun. It is feminine, singular again. So we fill cette. Tu connais cette ville? The next blank is blank maison sont très anciens. Now the noun here before after the blank is maison. Maison is feminine plural. So when the noun is in the plural form, regardless of whether it is masculine or feminine, we write c'est. Ces maisons sont très anciennes, so are very ancient. A dash palais. Now the noun here is palais. It is masculine singular. So when it is masculine singular, we use ce. Ce palais est très moderne. Il y a aussi dash cathedral. So now the noun is cathedral. It is feminine singular. So we fill in cette. Cette cathédrale très classique. Nous avons dormi dans dash hôtel. Now the noun is hotel. It is, so we know that when the noun begins with a vowel or a H, we use cet. Cet hôtel. So this is how we fill in the demonstrative. Very simple. Just look at the noun and determine which of the demonstrative fits there. Read this along with me once again. Photo souvenir. Regarde cette photo. Tu connais cette ville? Ces maisons sont très anciennes et ce palais est très moderne. Il y a aussi cette cathédrale très classique. Nous avons dormi dans cet hôtel. So now you know how to fill in these demonstrative in the blank. So we will do one more paragraph like this. So the next paragraph where we are going to fill in the demonstrative adjective. So the topic here is goût, that is the taste. Tu écoutes, you listen dash music. So now we know we have to look at the noun music. Now is this masculine or feminine, singular or plural? It is feminine singular. So we use cette. The next sentence, tu aimes dash amateur. Now here we see that the noun begins with a vowel. So we use cette. So very simple, right? The next one, tu connais dash roman. Now the noun here is roman. It is masculine singular. So we use ce. Tu connais ce roman? Next, tu lis dash journal. Now the noun is journal, and from this ending we can see that it is in the plural form. So say, tu lis ces journaux. Finally, the last one. Tu préfères dash musicien? Now, again the noun is here. You can see that it is in the plural form. So, what do we fill in here? It is c'est. So, once again, read this along with me. Good. Tu écoutes cette musique? Tu aimes cet amateur? Tu connais ce roman? Tu lis ces journaux? Tu préfères ces musiciens? So, music is feminine singular, so we chose cet. Amateur begins with a vowel, so we choose C-E-T, cet. Roman is masculine singular, so we choose ce. Journal is in the plural form, so we choose c'est. Finally, musicien is also in the plural form, so again we choose c'est. So this is how we write the demonstrative adjective. We just look at the noun. If it is masculine, we write either ce or cet. Feminine, it is cet, and plural, it is c'est.